I am the Nerv, a.k.a. Mr. Somebody. Everybody, somebody got to say this shit. So recently, I've been getting into a whole lot of YouTube bullshit. Nothing I can't handle. But in particular, there's one YouTuber known as KevinShitSmells a.k.a. LADE-LEBUTO. LADE-LEBUTO, whatever you want to call him. I call him KevinShitSmells because he's a YouTube piece of shit. Now, with that being said, I have my reasons for calling him a YouTube piece of shit, but I need people to understand. He's not really a threat to me. Actually, none of these YouTubers are really a threat to me because most of them have no real life. Not at all. They use YouTube as a form of strength, as a form of courage. These guys are absolutely cowards. Don't bother them. They don't bother me at all. Now, when I'm not on YouTube, I'm at work, as most of you know, or taking care of my family or whatever. But, really worried about a YouTuber, it's not my thing. See, I worry about shit like this. Let me flip my camera and show you. See, I worry about shit like that. I'm on the weekends, I'm cooking for my family, cooking for myself, cooking for my woman, variety of poultries. Got the sweet potatoes, got the greens, got the mac and cheese. You know what I mean? Let me flip it back around. See, these are the things that I do. See, let me show you. Let me show you real quick. See, I almost dropped my phone. Let me do this right. See, these are the things that I do. Right here. You see? I'm not worried about no YouTuber. Because in reality, if a YouTuber wanted to fuck with me, like KevinShitSmells, we can line it up. We can make it happen. But until then, all you YouTubers that hide behind avatars, keep being the bitches that you are. I'm going to be watching. I am the Nerv. Everybody, somebody gotta say this shit.